to the Web Security Academy. I believe this is the 8th installment of the walkthrough series. Today we're going to be doing the SQL injection attack, querying the database type and version of MySQL on Microsoft. So this is very similar to what we did yesterday. Yesterday we did the Oracle version of this, except for today we're going to explore some of those nuances within the MySQL version of this lab. So just like yesterday, we want to go ahead and we want to click into one of the categories, except for first we want to make sure intercept is on. So click into the category, send this to the repeater. Command R, Control R if you're on Windows. Open the floodgates by turning the intercept off. Then we're going to come over to the repeater, get rid of the GIFs, and we want to start to enumerate the number of columns. So we'll do that with the union select null, and except for this time, instead of using the double hyphen, this nuance that we're going to find here today, this first one, is going to be the pound sign. So the pound sign is the equivalent of the double dash. So let's go ahead and send that through. We will get an error, so there's not one. Let's try two. Okay, so it looks like there's two columns. Now let's check out and see which one of these has a string, or if both of them have a string. So we'll try ABC in the first one. Okay, so the first one holds a string. Let's just copy this, put a null back in, and we'll paste this here. Figure out if the second one has a string. Cool. Okay, so both of these have a string, and just to be 100% positive of that, let's just do this really quick. Okay, both of them definitely do have strings. So now, to get the database version, we're going to keep our union select statement, except for this time, the Microsoft version, we're going to do at, kind of like that $V version. This is going to be at version. And then the second one we're just going to do is null, to keep everything matching in terms of data types. So we're using the same union select statement here to grab some extra data. We're going to use at version is the keyword this time to grab the version information, and then null is going to match the rest of the data types, and then this pound sign is the comment marker in MySQL. So what we're going to do is go ahead and send this through. You saw it solve the lab in the background there, but as always, I want to show you guys what this is doing. So we're going to copy, show request in browser, copy, paste that request in the browser, show the response, and you see the version number leaked there. All right, guys, join me back tomorrow. We're going to go through some more methods of enumerating databases in